So this is actually our most popular tour. When I look through all the stats of the last 12 months, this is the #1 tour that's been booked through all of our channels. And today I'm going to tell you about it with Jay. So join us as we walk through Phi Phi and James Bond. Hi guys, Shaun here from 5 Submarine with my favourite friend, Mr. J.
Hello, I'm Jay. Why are we in here, Shaun? I wish people could see what's behind it. In fact, when we finish the video, I will take a picture of what I'm looking at. Honestly.
Anyway, we're here because we keep getting asked all the time, what is better, Phi Phi or James Bond Phang Nga Bay?
Phi Phi, done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment below.
Jay?
What?
For 3 years.
Phi Phi! Like and subscribe and comment below.
For 3 years
Phi
you've
Phi.
been saying Phi Phi.
Phi Phi.
You haven't
Phi Phi.
changed your mind after 3
Listen,
years?
Okay.
You know how many times we filmed this video?
Stop!
No,
That's a national international stop sign.
I'm
Stop!
literally going to
Stop!
I'm going to
Stop.
get the world map and hit you on the head with it.
Phi Phi! Got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide
Your
world.
fights are coming.
Right, listen. Was that was okay, wasn't it? That song? Okay, just checking. Okay, I want you, because you're always Phang Nga Bay and I'm always a Phi Phi. So I want you now, you have got, and I will not talk for approximately 3 minutes, maybe a bit less, of you saying why Phang Nga Bay is so good.
It's very easy to. I don't need.
Well, don't tell
I don't
me.
even need
Don't tell
3
me.
minutes.
Tell this
I
lovely
do
person
it
watching.
quicker than that.
Go on then.
Phang Nga Bay is 40 plus.
He always does
islands.
it quicker than that.
It's hidden caves, mangroves, canoeing, swimming, and something that I'm going to show you in a minute. And on top of that, you got the famous James Bond. And this is why every single movie studio that ever comes to Phuket wants to film in Phang Nga Bay, is because it's beautiful. Yes, I know Phi Phi has its Leonardo DiCaprio movie, but Phang Nga Bay has got the Meg 2, it's got Send Help, it's got Jurassic Park, it's got
Jurassic World.
so
not
many
not Jurassic
different
Park.
movies because
Jurassic World.
because of the background of it. And here's what I tell all my guests. In the 20 years that I've been here,
20 years.
I have never been able to get one photo that captures the essence of Phang Nga Bay, because it is just so beautiful. Stalactites, stalagmites, mangroves, you know, like, honestly, where else in the world can you see that?
Phi Phi.
You can't see stalactite, stalagmite and mangroves at Phi Phi.
You can. I can't think of a specific location of. Right, so you've done Phang Nga. Don't get me wrong.
To you for Phi Phi? To you for Phi Phi? Why is Phi Phi so important to you?
Okay, as I cross my.
Is it because of Leonardo DiCaprio?
All right, now
Because he's old.
he's the same age as me.
Most people watching this video would never have watched that movie, The Beach.
I think most people watching this video have seen The Beach.
I doubt it.
Really?
It's so old.
Could you please? It's not that old.
Even James Bond, they haven't seen James Bond.
James Bond came out in 19. You're talking about age of movies. James Bond, Man with the Golden Gun, came out in 1974. That was when we were both dead.
People do
right?
not come to
The
Maya
Beach.
or Maya Bay anymore because of Leonardo
The
DiCaprio.
Beach came out
They come because
in
it's the best beach in the
2000.
world.
Anyway, this is why Phi Phi is so good. One, it's got tropical beaches. It's got the stunning Maya Bay, which was in a movie. The beach.
Wait.
I didn't interrupt you.
And recently, we filmed it.
If you just. Shh, I didn't interrupt you. You don't interrupt me. Thank you very much.
I'm very passionate about my Phang Nga
It
Bay.
also has hidden caves as well. And
Where?
opposite Camel Rock, you can actually snorkel right into a little cave in there. Alex took me in there once.
Oh, a snorkeling cave.
Yes, a little snorkeling cave. And you can.
I have a cave in Phang Nga you can swim into.
I didn't interrupt him, did I? I didn't interrupt him.
Sorry. Go.
Okay, so we have tropical beaches. We have the idyllic when you're sitting there, when you're at home in Europe and Australia or anywhere else in the world that you are, right? You'll sit there and you think, oh, I think of Thailand. You think of tropical beaches, palm trees coming up out of white sand.
But for you,
Shush your noise! Crystal clear water. That is Phi Phi, not Phang Nga Bay. Phang Nga, shush your noise! Phang Nga Bay has got a dirty bottom. That's why it's green. whereas Phi Phi has got a clean bottom. And we all know clean bottoms are better than dirty bottoms. Plus, Camel Rock.
Question
yeah,
for you.
No,
Question.
your
One
favourite,
question.
your fake, go on.
At Phi Phi,
Yes.
what is the most important part for you? Why?
Well, you know, Sean, that I hadn't really finished my Phi Phi thing yet.
You love snorkeling.
No, I love snorkeling, and for me, you can go.
Choose it because of snorkeling.
Yeah, I do. I love snorkeling. I think for me, snorkeling is just the most relaxing thing in the world. I love seeing underwater. I love the sound of just hearing the little parrotfish eating the coral. I love it when the clownfish come and kind of swim near you and they're getting all aggressive. Get away from my enemy, you. And then when the black-tip reef sharks are just swimming away.
I love the black-tip reef
I
shark.
love a black-tip reef shark. And do you know what? Actually, I was talking to my kids. They're on half term next week, and I said, "Kids, we can go out on the boat and be out on the boat for ages." Now they're
They all would have just said, ugh.
yeah, that's what I got.
Don't
Teenage
my son.
kids, teenage kids now. Oh God, no, I want to start own place. I want to read my books. Reading your books. Get out there and actually see it. Anyway, that's why I love people. I do love
There's more
snorkeling.
than 260 female 2-meter sharks in Phang Nga Bay.
There
now.
you go. See, there's over 260 females down in Phi Phi. So, if you want to have some fun, get to Phi Phi.
Yeah, it's a shark you
But
want to have fun
also,
with.
there's some great restaurants. that-
No one wants to have
Stop
fun with a
it.
shark.
Stop it. There's, I want to have fun with that shark. There's great food down there. But you have to admit, the food is good. There's lots of different restaurants you can go to.
Oh yeah,
The
Mali seafood.
Sitting there drinking
Love
a
it.
penis enlarger
What did he say?
on the beach.
Yes.
And a lovely cocktail is good. And that's why I love Phi Phi. And also I think even the drive from Boat Lagoon to Phi Phi, that's about 45 minutes. It's beautiful, and you see different islands as you go past, and you can stop maybe at Kai, maybe at Maiton, see dolphins. Don't like dolphins.
Stop for one moment.
Go on.
Miguel,
What's he got to do with it?
Miguel, show the video.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Jay
whoa, whoa,
went
stop, what are you doing?
Snorkeling
What are you doing?
in Phang Nga Bay. Show that video now.
I found Nemo, baby! Woo!
So Jay, recently you took some friends.
I did take some friends, and we went to Hong Krabi, which was lovely. We went to the viewpoint, got a great picture of us at the viewpoint. It was really, and can I say, we had Guide Risky, and Risky was amazing. If you've
And you went snorkeling.
check out Guide Risky. I don't know what Sean's talking about. Check out Guide Risky. Check out Guide Risky. He's really good. We went to the viewpoint. Then we went to Knock Island. Knock Island was really good.
Did you go snorkeling?
All of those are actually in Phang Nga Bay, though. What I'm talking about right now.
Did you go snorkeling?
I found Nemo, which I'm very excited about. However, it does mean Sean was right, which I'm not happy about. Anyway, I found Nemo, baby! Ha ha!
Sean,
The video doesn't lie.
I might have discovered that there is a snorkeling spot in Phang Nga Bay that I might have fallen in love with. Yes.
Okay.
Hold on. At this point, Miguel's going to put on the sad music from Romeo and Juliet. Just let him just have that moment while you're laughing.
I'm just doing. I love this.
Just have this moment. Okay. Yes, you can now, which I've only discovered after how many years? 5-6 years working together. You can now snorkel in Phang Nga Bay, and it is actually really good snorkeling. And it has been an area where I've seen the most amount of clownfish in one. I mean, there was loads of them, as you saw from the video.
But with that said,
Yes.
this fight that you and I have
Yes.
every single year
Yes.
is the same fight that every family has when they come to Phuket.
That's true. Don't fight families. Yeah, because obviously
Mum wants to do this, Dad
wants to do this, kids want to do this,
that.
other kid wants to do that. The kid that no one knows doesn't matter because they're like special.
Grandma.
Who cares about grandma? Just sit her on the beach somewhere.
Well,
Yeah.
my grandma's got a lot to say. So anyway, that's why we actually offer a combined tour.
Hold on, Sean! Oh, the big reveal! You can do Phi Phi and Phang Nga Bay in one day?
Yes.
Wowzers! Why don't we just say that at the start? I mean, after this whole video, sat here in the back office with that behind me.
Anyway, it is a tour where we do both all of Phi Phi and James Bond in one day, and it's only available privately.
Available.
You cannot do it as a group tour.
You can't do it as a group tour.
If you did it as a group tour, it would be impossible because it's too slow. Group tours have got too many people going on and off the boat, and it's too much to see. But our guides and our captains are experts at designing
Experts they are.
this tour. Actually, today, right now, I have this tour out. This is my most popular tour.
the Phi Phi and Phang Nga Bay combined. We always recommend go Phi Phi first.
Yes.
And then up into Phang Nga, because the reason why, then you can come back from Phang Nga, and as you're coming back from Phang Nga, you get to see the sunset as well. And if you're very lucky and you start a bit later, and you didn't mention this in your Phang Nga Bay bit about the bioluminescence.
Yeah.
But in all fairness, you can get some of that at Phi Phi as well.
It's a secret hidden off-menu item.
We don't do the one at Phi Phi. Have you seen the bioluminescence at Phi Phi?
I have, but I don't do it because
No,
it's
too far.
No, but although it's not there every day.
Too far. It's not there every day, where the one in Phang Nga is. Anyway, combined tour is a good tour.
Yes.
Yeah?
I agree. Combined tour. So.
I was gonna warn them about something though. We should be honest and open.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, are you?
It's a long day.
It is a long day.
Like a lot of
It's
people.
like this video. It's a long day.
A lot of people ask me how long it is. At least.
Stop! Miguel, you know what to put in there, don't you? Thank you very much. Good job.
At least 8 hours. Minimum of 8 hours for this tour. And it is a lot of traveling. But what I call it when I talk to the guests is I call it like a highlight reel.
Yeah.
We're going to see the highlights of each location. And if you're only in Phuket for 2 or 3 days, you don't have time to do 2 tours.
Here, Sean, watch when I do this. Now you can only stay in Phuket for 30 days rather than 60 days, then yeah, you better take this tour.
Yeah, if you have a very limited amount of time.
See what I did there?
Yeah,
I brought in the whole visa thing.
Yeah,
I thought it was
awesome.
clever.
Yeah.
Go and see our blog about visas.
So if you are really in Phuket for a limited amount of time and the family can't decide which one to do both.
It is a good tour, and I would recommend taking a packed lunch with you.
Yes.
Because then you don't have to stop and you can eat on the boat.
Or if you don't do a packed lunch, get the guy to pre-order the lunch, and we pick it up at Ban Rim Nam on the way through.
And then you keep going rather than stopping and having lunch. Of course, if you want to stop and have lunch, you can. But for me, if you want to see everything, it's better just to eat.
I love this tour because of Ban Rim Nam, right in the middle.
Yeah.
You know, like coming out of Phi Phi.
Sorry, I sounded really negative.
Coming out of Phi Phi, going to Ban Rim Nam, having some great food that you've pre-ordered, so by the time you get there, it's on the table.
The food is good. It lacks one thing.
Me?
I don't think I've ever been there with you. No, it lacks one thing that I like at lunchtime, especially about. Yeah. You can't buy alcohol there. That's the only downside.
Yes,
but that's not saying you shouldn't drink, kids, because it's bad for you.
You can have that on the boat.
But a cheeky glass of
cheeky
wine
beer
and everything.
boat.
Yeah, I think so. But it is a good tour though. But like I said, if you are interested about the new snorkeling spot in Phang Nga Bay, I think it is something special. That when I went there was only 4 longtail boats, and that was the only people that
Does this mean I
there.
win? You know, 3 years in a row I've lost. Everybody is sided with you against me.
Are they?
Yes, in all the comments, it's always P, because we ask them, comment below what your favourite is. And P. And you, using all your hidden YouTube accounts, you go and comment P.
They're not hidden.
And I can't win.
They're not hidden accounts, they're in your face. Anyway, look, if you want to do it, you can do a combined tour, or if you want to go and see this special secret snorkeling spot in Phang Nga Bay that no one else I say no other tour groups go to in any way. Like I said, a couple of longtail boats and that's it, then tap us up and we'll let you know.
This is the key. Private tour operators, we get hired, here's the pitch.
Go on.
We get hired by movies because we know the hidden spots.
And I've just given it away.
Where people will not be, so that they can go to film at that spot and make it look like it's beautiful with no people there.
That's right.
That's why they hire us. And for the private tour, it's the exact same thing. You should hire us. Not because we're the best operator on the island.
I'm not sure this is from...
Not because we're #1 TripAdvisor rated.
Oh, good one. Good one.
You should hire us because we know the hidden spots.
That's right. And Sean apologises for shaking his finger at you. He doesn't mean it nastily.
No,
it's just what he does.
I'm passionate. I love my company.
See, that's better, opening your hands, because that invites people in. That's why you shouldn't sit there with your... Oh, I've got my shorts are right up there. Yeah. Right. On that note, thanks for watching.
Comment below which is your favourite, or if you've done either or
Phi
both.
Phi Phi.
And Jay, I'm blocking all of your
Phi Phi.
hidden accounts.
They're not hidden. Phi Phi. Phi Phi. Anyway, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And now I'm going to show you where we are. 7-Eleven. Peace. Right, there's Sean. We just finished the video. He looks very lovely. Now look. That is the backdrop of our production house. It's lovely, isn't it? It's great.
It's raining outside.
It is a little bit rainy outside. Anyway.
It's blue sky now.
7-Eleven. Say goodbye.
Bye.
It's best. Did you know, right? When I was about 18, I was in a magazine, like a kids magazine, not kids, like a teen magazine. I can't remember what it was called. And me and 2 mates went there with fake girl. No, I had my fake girlfriend. They just paid us to go there. I don't think they even paid us. And I had to give, it was about what boyfriends give to their girlfriends, and I gave my girlfriend a globe, because I travelled a lot. Anywhere she could look, she would see where I am on the globe. Good, eh?
You know, at the same age, I was asked to model budgie smugglers.
What, like Speedos?
Yes.
Duh-duh-duhs?
Live.
Real? Live?
Live. Yeah, like in a real like model.
I didn't know you were a
Catwalk.
swimsuit model.
Yeah.
Wowzers.
Yeah.
Check that out. Sean's a swimsuit model, right?